Hi, Stu here from Taunton Leisure, and we're on day 3 of our Afric Kintail training walk. I've got Tom from the Bristol shop here and Dom from the Taunton shop, and today we're going to talk to you about layering systems for hill walking and trekking. So in the black bag between my legs, I've got layers from Montane and Mountain equipment, and they're also wearing Mountain equipment and Montane, and we're going to start layering them up. So at the moment, we've got Dom here to my left. He is sporting the Montane Dart base layer, which is a synthetic base layer with a polygiene finish. This one's a long sleeve. You can also get it in a short sleeve version as well, and a zip top. It's really good at wicking away moisture, dries off nice and quick. It's a perfect top for what we're doing at the minute. On his legs, he's wearing the Montane TERRA pant, which is a classic kind of 2-3 season trekking pant. It's got a reinforced knee and a reinforced seat, and plenty of vents down the side here and here to keep you vented. Ventilation, if we've noticed, is very important on these walks, and the temperatures can change when you're walking up and downhill. And Tom over here is representing Mountain equipment. He's got a lightweight Mountain equipment Lumico. No, it's not a Lumico. What's that one called? Navu T. You can get that in a long sleeve or short sleeve as well. And he is wearing Mountain equipment IBEX Pro trousers, which is the harder wearing, gnarlier version of the IBEX. So it's got a slightly heavier duty fabric. This one hasn't got reinforced knees, but the fabric is a heavier duty version than what you find in the Montane ones. Plenty of vents on there, and you get the added bonus of pockets on the thighs, which you do not get with the Montane trousers. So next up, we've got our fleeces. For Tom, we have, this is the Lumico. It's a lightweight fleece with a kind of a box finish on the inside. I'm going to pop that one on. So this fleece is very good again at wicking away moisture, but now it's going to, the finish on the inside traps warm air next to the skin without it being too heavy, so it packs down really small and lightweight, and it's got a nice little scuba hood and a chest pocket he'll show you in a minute. And for Dom, we've got the Proteum hoodie by Montane, which is a slightly heavier weight fleece than the Mountain equipment one. Again, it's got the same finish on the inside, which traps a lot of warm air and helps to just wick away moisture. There you go, put that one on. This has got a harder wearing, or more like a slippier outside to it than you get on the Mountain equipment one, so it slides underneath shell jackets a bit easier. This has also got a low profile skinny hood, which you can wear underneath a waterproof hood or underneath a climbing hood really easily. So yeah, put your hood up. This one's got a one chest pocket, Napoleon pocket, and the Montane one you get 2 hand pockets on there. Next up is shell. So Mountain equipment, we've got the SALTORO pant. These are both lightweight trekking trousers. The Mountain equipment ones are a bit different because they are a blend of Gore-Tex and Gore-Tex pack light. So in the harder wearing areas, there's patches in the knees and the seat, which are standard Gore-Tex, and then the rest of the leg is made out of Gore pack light to keep them lightweight, whereas the Montane ones are completely out of pack light. So these are both good lightweight, breathable trousers to wear when it's starting to post down. And then we've got matching jackets for both of them as well. So Mountain equipment SALTORO jacket. It'd be good to show you the inside of this so you can really get a good look at where the different fabrics are. So the darker fabric here, this is Gore pack light. So the back of the jacket, inside the main front body of the jacket, under the arms where there's not much wear, and then across the back of the shoulders and the hips where you're wearing a backpack, hip belt and backpack shoulder straps. They've made it out of Gore-Tex, so it's much more robust, but then they save weight by using pack light where you don't need it as much. There we go. There you go. And for Dom, we've got the Montane Spirit jacket, which is a completely Gore-Tex pack light jacket, so a little bit lighter weight than the Mountain equipment version. Both of these use 40 denier shell on the outside, same as the trousers. So pretty robust. I think this is actually 70 denier on the shoulders and 40 in the body. There you are, sir. So now these two are ready for the worst of the weather, the Scottish Highlanders can throw at them as far as rain is concerned. But if it gets cold, especially in the evenings, they might want to put on a down jacket or an insulated jacket. So we've got a couple here. The classic Mountain Equipment LIGHTLINE. And then yeah, we've also got the anti-freeze jacket here by Montane. There you go, sir. So both of these use roughly a 750 fill power down. There's quite a lot of down in there. They're pretty warm jackets. My colleague here is going to put the exact spec of the down used in these jackets, probably here somewhere. They've got good hoods on them and two-way zippers so you can vent them. This one uses a lightweight base fabric and inner, the Montane anti-freeze, so it packs down smaller and is lighter weight than the Mountain Equipment equivalent, or the Mountain Equipment one we've got here. But the LIGHTLINE uses a dry light fabric on the outside, which has a coating, so it's much more water resistant. So this is a great jacket as an outer layering piece. If it's still a bit wet or it's snowing or something, you can chuck this on over your hard shell and not worry too much about the down. Whereas this one, in heavy rain, although the down is, both these jackets, the down is treated to be water repellent. This one you won't want to be out in the rain too long. So that's the layering systems we've got for our trekking trip from Montane and Mountain Equipment. If you've got any questions about anything, ask us below. Thanks very much.